What's going on, everybody? John here with Bearded Outdoorsman Chronicles, just coming at you with a quick tip of the day. So, this tip in particular is something that I've had in the back of my mind for a while, but just recently decided to try. And honestly, I wish I would have done it a while ago. So, I'm running Lone Wolf Custom Gear Micro Doubles as my sticks and my saddle setup and some stand setups. When you get the aiders from Lone Wolf Custom Gear, they're this black braided coated wire, which I think is just fantastic. They stand out from the tree great. They're easy to hit going up and down, but I found them to be a little difficult to see in the dark. So what I did, if you look at these 3 strips right here, 1, 2, 3, is I bought a roll of glow-in-the-dark tape off of Amazon. This roll, which is about 20 foot long, I think cost me $6. The reason why I did 3 is because I'm aiming my foot for this middle one. The ones on the side let me know that my foot is nested properly in my aider. Then I took it a step further and I actually put a small strip dead center in the top of each one of my sticks. So as I was descending the tree in the dark, I was easily able to see exactly where I needed to put my foot. Now, this tip you could apply to really any method that you use to climb a tree. I mean, it doesn't have to be the Lone Wolf Custom Gear Micro Doubles. You could add a little strip of this glow-in-the-dark tape to any stick just to let you know where to put your foot in the dark. And I'll tell you what, it was a pretty nice little tip that I came up with there. I mean, I've seen some other companies that were using glow-in-the-dark tapes and things like that on their sticks. I think, I could be wrong about this, but Latitude might be one of the companies doing that. And I thought, man, that's a great idea. It was incorporated with their stick, and I just wanted to try to figure out how to make that apply to all the setups that I run. So for $6 on Amazon, you can get about a 20-foot roll of this glow-in-the-dark tape. I'm going to tell you, it's going to go a long way because you only need tiny little strips, and this stuff is bright. I don't think it's going to have any other negative impacts. I mean, I just started running this myself, but I'll tell you what, it's great. I mean, it really lets you know right where you need to be putting your foot when you're in the dark. And I know a lot of us like to minimize the light that we're running as much as possible, running red, green, so on and so forth. So I found this just to be a fantastic upgrade to my everyday sets. So that's it. I hope you appreciate that tip as much as I am. And until next time, shoot straight.